Hello mga ka-Facebook! Alright! Malalim ang hugot ng kapuso actor-director na si Sian Lim na matanong kung ano ang mga naituro sa kanya ng love at pakikipagrelasyon. Matagal-tagal na rin mula nang maghiwalay sina Sian at Kim Chu matapos ang mahigit isang dekadang pagsasama bilang magjowa. Sa panayam ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda nitong nagdaang Biyernes, March 23, sinabi ni Sian na ang hashtag ng buhay niya ngayon ay ang Be Strong and Overcome Obstacle in Life. Isa nga sa mga naitanong sa ex-boyfriend ni Kim ay kung ano ang natutunan niya sa larangan ng pag-ibig. Walang binanggit na pangalan si Tito Boy pero obvious namang si Kim ang tinutukoy ng award-winning TV host. Sagot ni Sian, I think it teaches you pain. Love is very painful and it's also a very magical feeling. I think that's what love does to you. But at a certain point, love disappears. It's also very painful kasi syempre magkaibat kayo. You are a different person and the other one is a different person. You have to learn to accept each other. And I think dun na magiging choice ang pagmamahal. And you choose to stay together and you choose to fight for each other. No matter what it is, paliwanag ni Sian. Isa pa sa mga question ni Tito Boy kay Sian ay kung ano ang ipinagdarasal ng aktor ngayon at base sa naging sagot niya, mukhang tinutumbok nito ang mga naglalabasang balita sa breakup nila ni Kim. It's so easy to make up different things because we have this freedom of speech. We have the social media thing. There's so many different things circulating online. So I think that's also one that I pray for. Of course, the people close to me and the people who don't know me believe what is really legit and really not believe the lies spreading across the internet. Pagbabahagi ng binata. At sa tanong kung ano-ano ang mga ayaw na niyang balikan sa kanyang past, hindi ko babalikan ang mga I have my own shares of controversies and its learning process and I don't know what happening. Yung mga ganoon, hindi ko babalikan kasi it's a very painful time and it takes a lot of maturity and it takes a lot of out of you. So hindi ko babalikan yun. Anya pa, kung may isang tao namang nais niyang pasalamatan ng bonggang-bongga, yan ay walang iba kundi ang nanay niyang si Ginang Marian. I owe a lot sa mom ko because remember, she's a single mom and she always pushes me. Mom, I wanna say thank you dahil you always push me to be better. And lagi niya akong pinapahalagahan na kasi sa field na naman natin, after you do more project, hindi mo alam kung meron ka pang susunod. My mom would always make it light. She would say, anak, kaya pa? Yan ang buhay, anak na mahirapan ka. Not every day you will make up and you're feeling weak. What you have to do is always show up every single day and now what your purpose is. Mensahe pa ni Sian sa kanyang pinakamamahal na ina. At yan ang totoo. Alright. Thank you for watching po. Follow for more video. Salamat!